In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Who Can Access in Dropbox tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your sharing settings, how to add people, and how to adjust or remove someone's permissions with confidence. First, sign into your Dropbox account. Once you're in, locate the folder you want to manage. You're looking for a folder that's shared or being accessed by someone else. Open that folder and look for the area that shows who has access. On the web, this usually appears as an access or sharing section where you can see how many members are currently sharing the folder. Click that to open the details. You'll now see a panel that lists all current members. At the top, there's a field where you can add people by entering a name or an email address. Before you send an invite, choose the permission level that fits what they need. Can view means they can open and download files, but not change them. Can edit means they can add, modify, and delete files inside the folder. Pick the right level to avoid accidental changes. To update someone who already has access, find their name in the list and use the drop-down on the right. From there, you can switch their role from Can Edit to Can View, or the other way around. If you're the current owner of the folder and your plan supports it, you may also see an option to make someone else the owner. Be mindful that transferring ownership hands over full control, including the ability to manage access. And if you no longer want someone in the folder, choose Remove to take away their access. That change applies immediately, and they'll no longer see the folder or its contents in their Dropbox. Any files they already downloaded to their device won't be deleted from that device. Most changes save automatically, and people may receive a notification when their access is updated. If you're working with a team or business account, some options might be restricted by your admin or your plan. Also remember, changing member access here is different from managing shared links. Member permissions control who can open the folder from within Dropbox, while shared links control access through a link. That's all you need to manage who can access your folder in Dropbox. Adjust roles as your project evolves. Keep editing rights to the people who truly need them, and use view only for everyone else to maintain control and prevent accidental edits. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.